In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Philippines on Remitly. We'll walk through the entire process from the Remitly homepage to reviewing your transfer so you know exactly what to click, what to type, and what to double check before you send. Start by opening the Remitly website. On the homepage, look for the option to send money and click it. This takes you straight into the flow where you choose your destination and set up your transfer. When you're asked where you're sending, select the Philippines. If Remitly shows you a previous or unfinished transfer, that's okay. Click Start Over so you begin with a clean slate. Next, choose Send to New Recipient so we can set up a brand new receiver for this transfer. Now, enter the amount in the Use Send field. As you type, you'll see the They Receive Amount update automatically based on the exchange rate and fees. This is useful for planning. If you have a target amount your recipient needs, you can adjust either box until it matches your goal. Take a moment to note the rate, any promotional pricing, and delivery time estimates so there are no surprises later. You'll be asked how your recipient will get the money. Choose the delivery method that works best for them. For this walkthrough, select Mobile Money. That means the funds will go directly to your recipient's supported mobile wallet. It's fast and convenient, especially if they use their phone for everyday purchases. Click to confirm mobile money as the delivery method. Next up is how you'll pay. You'll see payment options such as card or other available methods. Select the payment method you prefer. Here, we'll choose to pay by card. After selecting, click Continue to move forward. Now add your recipient's details. Start with their name. Type the first name, then the last name, exactly as it appears on their valid ID or on their mobile wallet account. Matching their information reduces the chance of delays or verification issues. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Enter your recipient's phone number. This should be the phone linked to their mobile wallet so they can receive notifications and access the funds without issues. Make sure the country code is correct for the Philippines and confirm the digits carefully before clicking Continue. If you see an offer or prompt you don't want right now, go ahead and click No. Thanks to proceed with the transfer setup. You'll now confirm your payment method. If you haven't saved a card yet or want to use a different one, select Add New Card and then click Continue. This opens the secure card entry form. Enter your card details carefully. Type the card number, the expiration date, and the security code from the back of your card. Add your name exactly as it appears on the card. Then fill in your billing address. Make sure this address matches what your card issuer has on file. Mismatches can cause the payment to fail. Remitly uses encrypted forms for this step so your information stays protected. With payment details in, you're almost done. Click Review Details to open the final summary. This is your chance to verify everything: the amount you're sending, what your recipient will receive, the delivery method set to mobile money, your selected payment method, and the recipient's name and phone number. Check the exchange rate and fees one more time and make sure the delivery timeframe suits your needs. If anything looks off, use the back options to correct it before moving on. When you're satisfied, click Review Details again to proceed, and that's the full setup. You've gone from the Remitly homepage to selecting the Philippines, setting the amount, choosing mobile money, entering your recipient's name and phone, adding your card, and reviewing the transfer details. Take your time with names, numbers, and amounts. Accuracy here ensures the money arrives quickly and without unnecessary delays. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide makes your next transfer simple and stress-free.